guys, it's Shwangi. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to create this look. This is my version of a modern Diwali look. It is super simple. It is also the third look of the 3 looks that I had planned for Diwali. I really hope that you enjoy watching this tutorial, and also all the links of all the products which I'll be using for today's tutorial will be in the description box below. So definitely check it out, and that's it. Without further ado, let's begin. Now, since this is a really simple tutorial, we're going to use a combination of certain products to get like a very nice hydrated and dewy base. For that, I'm going to use 2 primers today. The first one is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and the second one is PATAKHA Cosmetics Studio Finish Oil Primer. So I'm going to apply the oil primer first. I've just taken 3 drops. Like, don't go overboard with this primer since this is an oil-based primer. 3 drops is actually more than enough. Alright, now let's apply the Blur Perfect Primer. Next, I'll use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Light Tan. And now I'm going to blend it with a PAC 219 concealer brush. Next, for foundation, I'll use Lakme Primer Plus Matte Foundation in the shade N220 Neutral Medium, and I'm going to mix it with PAC Strobing Cream in the shade Peach. So I'm taking a bit of strobing cream first, about this much, and I'm going to mix a bit of foundation in the strobing cream. So after taking a bit of strobing cream and the foundation, I'm going to mix it, and with a Pro Art AF03 brush, I'm going to start applying it on my face. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Light, and with my concealer brush, I'm going to use this powder under and around my eyes. Next, I'm going to use Milani Prep Set Glow Illuminating Transparent Powder. Now, just with a powder brush, I'm going to set the rest of my base with it. Alright, so the base is done, and you can see that it looks really illuminated and dewy, and the skin also looks fresh and hydrated. It was of course a mix of few things, but this process works really well. Next, I'm going to use NYX Micro Brow Pencil to shape up my eyebrows. Once my eyebrows are done, I'm going to lightly set them with a loose powder. This is the same Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Moving on to contouring, I'll use Nykaa Contour and Conquer. I'll use it to lightly contour my cheekbones and my jawline. And after contouring, I'm going to take a bit of loose powder again to clean up this area. For eyeshadow today, I'll use Revolution Pro Supreme Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Allure. I'm going to use this shade from this palette and pack it on my entire eyelid. You can actually use a light beige color or a really light brown color that you have in any eyeshadow palette. That's it, the eyeshadow is packed. Now we'll get to the eyeliner. For that, first I'm going to use K Beauty Kajal Pencil in the shade Spade. And with this Kajal Pencil, I'm going to create a tiny wing liner first, half wing liner. The reference point for this liner is going to be the center of the eyelid. The line cannot go beyond the center. So first I'm going to draw out a line. So there's a very thin line I've drawn out near my lash line, and now I'm going to draw a tiny wing. Just this much. I'm not going to work more on this. There are two reasons why we did this. One is to make the eyeliner last longer. If you have a kajal base under your liquid eyeliner, it will make it last longer. And secondly, if you do have this kind of a tiny wing liner already laid out on your eyelid, it gets easier to then draw a sharper wing liner with the eyeliner.
Next for eyeliner, I'll use NYX Epic Ink Liner.
This is a Love Lust Disco Edition Epic Ink Liner.
With this liner, I'll create a bold half-wing liner.
Alright guys, so my eyeliner is drawn out. If you want to see my video on the basics of how to create an eyeliner, I'll link it somewhere here, you can check it out. Next I'm going to take a bit more of that light brown color and apply it under my eyes halfway through to give it a little more definition. Drawing out an eyeliner is quite a task, guys. This took me a while to, match and fine-tune. Now, moving on to the mascara, I am going to wear false lashes, but I will show you how this looks like with heavy mascara, so that if you're not planning to wear false lashes, then you know what you're signing up for. For mascara, I'll use LOreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I will be applying 2 coats of this mascara. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this is just 1 coat of this mascara. I'm not going to apply a second coat on my lower lashes, but I will apply another coat once this dry up on my upper lashes. Okay, the mascara has dried up. I'm now going to apply the second coat. Right, so this is how your eyelashes will look like with 2 coats of this mascara. Highly recommended. It's a good mascara, guys. Next, I'm going to use Rufa Beauty's Sasha lashes. I'll quickly wear them off camera and come back. Okay, my false lashes are on. Now I'm going to apply the blush. For blush, I'll use L'Oreal Be Fierce Blush. This blush is a crazy pigmented blush, guys, and you have to be very careful when you're applying it. So I'm just going to touch my brush once on the blush. Actually twice, and dust the excess and start applying it. I'm going to take a little more and build it up. And I'm only applying blush in this area. Next for highlighter, I'll use Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter Molten Gold. I'm first going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. And now I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face. For lips, I'll use MAC Cosmetics Ruby Woo. And lastly, to set everything in place, I'll use PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. I'm going to let this dry up, get ready, and come back. And with that, we've come to an end of this tutorial, guys. This is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this entire festive and Indian traditional series that I created for you. I really hope you like these videos, guys. And I'm going to hit pause now. I'm of course going to do a lot more Indian traditional makeup tutorials on our channel in the future. But this is going to be the last festive tutorial of this season. Let me know how you enjoyed these tutorials and let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite tutorial out of all the festive tutorials that I created. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, then ensure that you do. I keep posting a lot of makeup related content and video updates on my Instagram handle, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We've got 3 channels, Hindi, English and Bengali, and your support would mean the world to us, guys. Thank you so much for all your love and support. A happy Diwali to all of you in advance. I really hope that you're enjoying this festive season a lot and eating some really good food. And yeah, on that note, I shall see you in the next one. There will be videos coming before Diwali, just letting you know. But yeah, I shall see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye. Mwah.